But if you ignore our legal advice and our practical advice, it can be one of your costliest child custody catastrophes. As an experienced Georgia divorce attorney, I've witnessed countless cases where well-intentioned parents unknowingly make decisions that end up jeopardizing their chances of securing custody of their children, or even worse, could cause them to lose custody of the children they already have. Today I'm going to talk about 5 of these mistakes. Mistake number 1, ignoring the importance of co-parenting. One of the biggest mistakes any parent going through a custody battle, whether it's a divorce, a paternity, a legitimation, can make is underestimating the significance of effective co-parenting. Georgia family courts prioritize the best interests of the children when determining custody arrangements. Now, I've done a video on the 17 factors that judges can use to determine child custody in Georgia. Please go watch that video. We'll provide a link to it. One of those factors is the quality of your co-parenting. Failing to establish a cooperative and amicable co-parenting relationship with your children's other parent will raise red flags about your own ability to provide a suitable, stable, and nurturing environment. You need to communicate openly with your soon-to-be ex or your already ex and focus on the needs of your children rather than your own personal grievances about the end of the relationship. Guardians and courts look to see which parent is going to be the more fair-minded parent. Keep the lines of communication open, get co-parenting counseling if necessary, and show a commitment to fostering a healthy co-parenting dynamic. Don't screw this up. Mistake number 2 is neglecting your parental responsibilities and opportunities. In the midst of a divorce or other custody proceedings, it's easy to become overwhelmed and lose sight of your parental responsibilities as well as the opportunities that you have as a parent. But beware that the courts take note of each parent's involvement in their children's lives in deciding custody matters. So neglecting your duties as a parent, such as missing scheduled parenting time or failing to attend important events like medical appointments, school events, curriculum nights, or even extracurricular activities, that can reflect poorly on your ability to prioritize your children. Become a consistent presence and show genuine interest in your children's well-being. Your dedication to being a hands-on parent can definitely impact custody decisions, either for you or against you. Okay, mistake number 3 is disparaging the other parent. Do I really even need to say anything about this? Look, I get it. Emotions run high. You're upset. You may be completely justified in the way you're feeling about that other parent. But if you trash your kid's other parent, it can backfire badly in custody battles. And don't try and turn your children against their other parent. You will cause them a lot of mental and emotional harm. Listen, your kids did not choose you or their other parent, so don't make them choose between you two. Don't get them caught up in your own battles. Just reassure your kids that both parents love them and will do everything you guys can to make their lives as wonderful as possible, even if you're all not living under the same roof. Encourage open communication with the kids too, so that you know what's going on. Take it all in. Be a sponge and be a great listener for your kids so that they'll open up and talk to you. And demonstrate your own maturity and ability to co-parent. Again, please don't mess this up. It will greatly affect your kids well beyond the years of the custody arrangements and custody battles and all that if you go and mess up your kids. Mistake number 4, ignoring legal advice. How many custody battles have you been through? Probably not as many as your attorney. So if your attorney is giving you advice, please listen to us. We're here to help you. Divorce and custody battles are tough. They're full of emotions that will mess your head up. There are also court procedures and obligations that you must adhere to. What seems to make sense for you in an isolated battle may be wrong in your quest to win the custody war. We understand you're riding up and down on the roller coaster, and your attorney can help you smooth out the track. But if you ignore our legal advice and our practical advice, it can be one of your costliest child custody catastrophes. So please listen up, because we're here for you. Mistake number 5, failing to prioritize the child's well-being. Ultimately, the family courts in Georgia prioritize the best interests of the children. That is the standard for everything that happens in custody. Failing to demonstrate your commitment to your children's well-being could be a catastrophic error. Courts look at factors such as your emotional and financial stability, your living arrangements, and your ability to provide a nurturing environment. These are all in my video about the 17 factors that judges can use for custody determination, and I'll put a link in the description below. Make all decisions with your children's best interests in mind. Be prepared to showcase your ability to meet their physical, emotional, and educational needs. Maintain a stable living environment. Don't have a different relationship partner coming in and out of their lives every month. Create a supportive network for your children. The courts are more likely to award custody to parents who prioritize the welfare of their children above all else. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you're going to be in the best position to win primary custody of your children in the initial case, or if you need to modify things down the road. And if you already have primary custody of your children, Avoiding these mistakes will help you avoid losing custody of them. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos, leave us some comments, ask us questions, and tell us what other topics you'd like me to talk about. Join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody for more info. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.